Hey up adventurers, it's day 2, Centre Parcs, Woburn Forest. Let's go on an adventure. So it's quite cold this morning, but the sun is shining and that's the most important thing. So we've had quite a lot of wildlife this morning, so we'll put some footage in now of what we've seen. We've had deers, birds, been quite interesting. The deer was cool. The amount of times we've been to Centre Parcs and not seen deers, but today we got one first thing. So we'll put some footage in and then we'll pick up just after that. So we're going to go for a bike ride now. So we're going to put the camera on the bike and have a tootle round, go and see what we can see. It's early, so nothing's actually open yet, so we're just literally going to go for a spin round on the bikes. We'll put some footage in of what the sort of cycling areas look like. It is quite hilly here, so you get a sort of perception of what that looks like as well. So yeah, we'll see you on the front of the bike in a minute. Okay, so we've just stopped off at the cycle centre for others to catch up. We were here yesterday, we collected some bikes. It was £44 for the bikes for a few days. Kind of opening times, 11 o'clock on a Monday and a Friday, 9 o'clock every other day. And they have every type of bike you can think of. They've got men's, women's, children, electric, tandems. You can rent wheelchairs, you can rent electric scooters. So there's loads of different options. And then the cycle return is just on the end there. Okay, so we've stopped off at the Plaza. So the Plaza is the sports area. You've got a Starbucks, a jewel shop, the sports cafe where we were yesterday. You've got the Park Market down there, which is the supermarket on site that will give you sort of co-op style products. So a lot of it is co-op branded, but slightly more expensive, but not significantly. So it's not stupid prices. So if you do need something, you can pretty much get it from there. Other than that, that's about it for the bike ride, to be honest. We're going to head back up in a minute, go and get some breakfast, and then we're going to head down to American Pool. So American Pool is in the sports cafe there at the Plaza. So we'll be back down here shortly. So, morning of activities done. It's now, well, I say morning, it's 20 past 10. We've got a camera set up for a time lapse. I'm going to have to bring it in because it is going to rain, but we'll put some footage in now of the things we've seen. And we're going to go down and play American Pool in the Plaza down at the sports cafe. We'll take you along. I think it was 16 quid for the table, which I don't think is overly priced. But yeah, so we'll go and enjoy that. We'll take you along, and then we're going to go swimming and then come back for some lunch. So we'll take you to pool, but not in the pool today. So we made it. So we're in the Sports Plaza. So we have got football and badminton booked for in here. We've got glow table tennis later. We've got American Pool now. We've got outdoor tennis booked as well. So we've got quite a few activities. The sports centre here isn't as grand as some of the other ones, but it does the job. So, right, go and play some pool inside the sports cafe. So in the sports cafe, you've got the cricket, you've got the F1 and the football on. We're going to go in House of Games quickly because we're about 15 minutes early. So we're going to go in the arcade and let the kids spend some money. Tell you what, bowling's empty. I do feel it is expensive to do bowling here, but it does look so cool. We've done it a couple of times. Might book it. Might do an extra booking this time round, and so we can take the kids bowling. Let's see, shall we be a good uncle or not? So most of the games are 1 token per play. It's £10 for 10 tokens. Obviously Centre Parcs is cashless, so it's tap on, you get your tokens, and then basically it's £1 to go on pretty much everything. So for all the years of my dad beating me at pool, I finally won one. Right, it's game time.
We've only got 10 players. Oh my God!
So that's it, a successful pool adventure. We're now going to go swimming. Not going to take you along, but we'll see you back at the lodge at lunchtime. So this is the swimming building, and there are the outdoor rapids. Let's go. Okay, so that's swimming done. We'll have a catch up about that in a minute. We're just at Treats getting an ice cream.
2 cookies and cream, yeah?
Yeah. Happy days. So £5.50 for an ice cream. Not too bad. Nice ice cream. Happy days.
He's not said no to going in one. I think.
Right, okay, so we're back at the booking point to collect some tennis rackets to go and do outdoor tennis. We'll have a catch up about swimming in a minute once we get up there. Okay, so whilst I remember swimming, the swimming here is much smaller than the other Centre Parcs, but there's definitely enough to do. So the rapids are really good, probably better than Sherwood, not as good as Longleat. But yeah, the rapids are really good. The slides, the raft slides, good. The wave pool, quite small, quite shallow. But other than that, you cannot complain. There's enough to do at the swimming pool. So we are now on the tennis courts, as you can see. So we rented a tennis court number 2, which was 16 quid for the 45 minutes. But they said to us there's nobody else up there other than, if there's anybody up there, they've not paid basically. So we've kind of spread out, taking the 3 courts up. They gave us 8 rackets, 8 rackets, 6 balls. So there's plenty for us all to be going on with. So dead happy with that. Now, tennis quite obviously is not straightforward. It's quite difficult. So 12 novice tennis players isn't making for a great spectacle. However, it's everyone's getting on with it and giving it a go, and that's what it's all about here at Centre Parcs. Come and try something that you've not tried before. Time for a chill. So, tennis was really good. We definitely got our money's worth. We were on for an hour. We ended up with 4 courts, 6 balls, 10 rackets. So they just gave us everything that basically to fill up there. Because there was 12 of us, so it worked out really, really well. It was nice to see my mum and dad involved, getting involved playing tennis. So normally they never would even consider it. It's their first time at Centre Parcs. So it was kind of nice to see them getting involved with that sort of stuff. So yeah, really happy. Now, currently just sat watching Gladiators. Some of them have gone out for a bike ride, just watching a bit of TV. Then we're going to head down to glow-in-the-dark table tennis, which looks really good. So we'll do that, and then we're back for tea later on. So it's been a bit of an action-packed day. We'll take you along a little bit later on, but tomorrow's the day I'm looking forward to. We've got the electric boats, we've got the pancake house. There is something else, can't remember what, but yeah, we've got quite a lot planned. So yeah, we're maximising the amount of time that we've got here. This is kind of like the first time that I've actually sat down and not really done a huge amount. So tomorrow morning, if I get up early enough, no guarantees, but I might go for a site walk and give you a bit of an orientation of kind of where we are. where the two main centres are, the cycle centre and those sorts of things. So if you watch tomorrow's video, if it starts off with me early morning, I've got up and I've done it. If not, I've kept myself in bed because I'm shattered, but we'll find out. Right, I'll catch you later.
To see the run again at all. Kerry went through them in it.
Right, here we go again. Table tennis time. Back to this point, the booking point, and the desk is just on this side. Grab your equipment and off you go. So it's 10 to 8 at night now, and it's much quieter in here, so I can show you a little bit more as people aren't playing the various sports. So I've got football here. We've got football coming up tomorrow, so we'll show you that. You've got shorthand tennis and pickleball on there. You've got badminton down the far end there, climbing walls, so loads of different things to do in here. And then you've got the activity den, which is kind of like Build-A-Bear type stuff, and pottery painting studio. The pottery painting studio was rammed busy earlier, which really surprised me. But they've got lots of cool Easter stuff to do at the moment, so you can kind of see why it was busy. Yeah, so we're going to go for, I think it's 45 minutes of table tennis. Forgot what we were doing then. 45 minutes of table tennis, and then that'll be it for the night, really. But yeah, we'll take you along. It looks so cool doing the glow table tennis. Right, okay, we have our paddles, and we're heading off into the fitness studio. Okay, so we've just gotten into bed. Today's been a busy day, been enjoyable, we've done a lot. It's been good to do lots of different activities that kind of everybody can get involved with, so that's been really good. Tomorrow we've got an electric boat, a kata canoe, the pancake house, football. We've got so much going on, and I'm going to go for a walking tour around the site first thing in the morning. So we'll see you in the next adventure. Like, follow, subscribe, and do all that social media stuff. See you tomorrow.